Hey, 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 boys and girls. Hello, you are welcome once again today. It's going to be a wonderful time. Today we're learning something about measurement. Yep, we're learning about measurement today. I'm so excited. We're going to talk about measurement, weight. We have other measurements anyway, but we're going to narrow down to weight. And it is in basic science and technology, and it's a science topic. So if you're ready, I am so ready and excited. So let's get on to it, people. Should we? Yeah, we shall. Now today, after the lesson, I expect you to be able to define what measurement is, and you should be able to define for me what weight is. You tell me what measurement is, and you also tell me what is weight. Okay, moving forward. What is measurement? What is measurement? Measurement is the assignment. It is when we assign number to something, object, event, which can be compared to other objects and events. For example, if I'm going to measure, let's say I have this could be my pineapple, and I have a smaller pineapple here. All right. Okay. Now, the size of this is going to be different from the size of this. Relatively, everybody can see with the eye that this appeared to be bigger than this guy here. So we have to measure. Now, measurement means assigning number to an object when compared to other objects. Beautiful and easy. Measurement means when we assign number to objects which can be compared to other objects. And we have a lot of scales here. Look at this chart. This is a measurement chart. This is also used for measurement. This is also used for measurement. All these charts here are various items that we use to measure. We move. So measurement is the act of determining the size of a object. Okay, it is used to determine the size of an object. Yep, like that there. All right. So if you don't measure, you cannot know what the size or what the weight of a certain object. You don't know how a chair is weighing. You will not know the weight. Sometimes you also have to measure human body. We don't know the weight until you measure. They don't write it on the forehead. It's not something you just, I think I know. Oh, let me say I know. You don't assume. It has to be done appropriately. So what is weight? Weight is a measure of the heaviness of an object. Again, weight is the measure of the heaviness of an object. So it tells us how heavy an object is. How heavy an object is, the weight of an object. You say, oh, this thing is too heavy. Can you remember your school bag? That's a nice one. Oh, my school bag is too heavy. Probably the books in your bag. We have this boy here. We have a little baby here on the measuring scale, and we have this 1 kilogram on its own measuring scale. All of them, they have different weight. They're talking about different weights, how heavy they are. This could be different from this guy, and this boy is also different from this little baby here. They differ in weight. They are different in weight. That talks about their heaviness. Can you lift up for me a bag of cement? Nope. But can you carry your food flags? Because they differ in weight. Yes. So why do we need to measure? Someone say, oh, Mr. Omo, do we need to measure? Why do we need to measure? It doesn't really mean anything, does it? Of course it does. We should measure because it tells us the different degrees and sizes. If you want to measure, the reason why you measure is to know the degree or the depth and sizes of different objects. Number one, we also have to measure because we need a general view or standard of things. So, for example, you're going to buy, let's say a bag of cement. I'm going to use bag of cement today a lot. And the bag of cement here in your locality where you are, let's say it weighs 100 kilograms here. And then you travel to somewhere else outside your state. You should know that this is the same measurement it was when you were in your state. So it gives us a general standard of things. It tells us that, oh, if bread, a weight of bread is weighing this is what I am expecting to see. So we have a general standard. We have a general standard. When you have a measurement, it gives you a general view or general standard. You know what things are. Also, we measure so we can know our current weight. As human beings, we have to measure our weight. we have to know she's a little bit fat now, she weighs different. But when she's slim, she's happy and she's going to weigh different. The lion is heavy in weight. Yep. And this is light in weight. Trust me. Okay. So we also measure to know our current weight, what we are weighing. Yeah, this is also signs of measurement. We are measuring different things and know what they stand. We measure this and also this. We know what each thing we weigh in their various units. All right, before we shut down for the day, what is the unit of weight? We have different units for weight. Weight can be measured in kilograms, it can be measured in grams, it can be measured in pounds. All right, so let's see those things that we measure in different degrees, shall we? Yeah. So for things, metals, we can have them in grams or in kilograms. You can see grams. This is grams. And it comes with what? G, a little g. For kilogram, it's going to be in kg. Items that could be in kilograms, your normal materials at home, could be your pencil and other stuff. Grams also could come in metals and masses like this. They could measure them in gram. Okay, and also we have weight in kilograms. Look at them here. A tin of milk, there's an egg, there's a little baby boy here. All these things could be measured in kilogram. Now we move. Also, another unit for measurement is pounds. Those of you that love wrestling, I'm not a wrestling fan, you hear them say, all the way from America, let's put our hands together, 600 pounds coming out. Oh, they're talking about human being. So humans usually, the measurement and the weight, the unit for them is pounds. You see, this girl weighs 600 pounds. Wow, that's talking about so much weight. And this one is weighing about 600 pounds. But at the time when they reduce it, it could, oh, I lost 20 pounds. They're talking about their weight. Thank you very much. I know you have had a wonderful time. We've looked at weight and evaluation is up next. Can you define for me measurement? What is measurement? I simplified it for you. All right, can you tell me what weight is? If you have done that, good job to you, boys and girls. So there's going to be a follow-up question for you, and I expect you to answer. So till we meet another time, bye-bye. My name is Mr. Omo Godwin. See you next time. From me, I am saying bye-bye.